I dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. Then I was young and unafraid, and dreams were made and used and wasted. There was no ransom to be paid, no song unsung, no wine untasted. But the time is come at night, with their voices soft as thunder, as they tear your hope apart, as they turn your dreams to shame. To summer by my side, she filled my days with endless wonder. She took my childhood in her stride, but she was gone when autumn came. Still I dream she'll come to